Understanding Garden Bed, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, garden bed. We will dive into what it means, how it is used, and we will look at some examples. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get our hands dirty with learning. The phrase, garden bed, refers to a portion of land that's used for planting flowers, vegetables, or herbs. It is usually a raised area of soil or a flat surface that is separated from the rest of the land. The key feature of a garden bed is that it is the planned and organized space where plants can grow under controlled conditions. Garden beds can be various shapes and sizes and can be contained with borders made from wood, stone, or other materials. This not only helps in maintaining the garden by keeping it neat but also allows for better control over soil composition and drainage. Garden beds are essential in gardening for several reasons. They allow for better soil management, as the soil in a bed can be tailored to suit the specific needs of the plants. They also improve drainage, which is vital for healthy plant growth. Another important aspect is that raised garden beds can help reduce the occurrence of weeds and pests, making it easier to manage your garden. It also reduces strain on the gardener's back, as they do not have to bend over as far to reach the plants. Let's look at how garden bed can be used in a few sentences. I planted tomatoes and cucumbers in the garden bed by the fence. We will need to prepare a new garden bed for spring planting. She decorated her garden bed with stones and garden gnomes for a whimsical look. In each of these sentences, the phrase, garden bed, is used to describe the specific area used for planting within a garden. If you're inspired to start gardening, here are a few tips for creating your garden bed. Choose a location that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Make sure to clear the area of grass and weeds before adding soil. Use high-quality soil and compost to give your plants the nutrients they need. Water your garden bed regularly, especially during dry periods. That wraps up our discussion on garden bed. I hope you now have a better understanding of what a garden bed is and how you can talk about it in English. Remember, practicing these new phrases and words in context will help you remember them better. Happy gardening and happy learning! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.